Master Nigara वाला चल रहा था. Hello everyone, good morning to all of you. I hope all is well. Welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna sharing a job openings, and this is the urgent job vacancies. So if you guys have a plan to move Gulf country to job, then keep watching this video till the end. And let's know what is the job openings from UAE and how to apply. This is the urgent requirements from Jinko Contracting Company in UAE. Client face-to-face interview in 14th March. So in Mumbai office. Employment visa, no supply, Gulf experience preferred. That means if you have already Gulf experience, you can apply and you can easily get the job. Position are available: electrical foreman, HPC foreman, river, plumbing, sergeant, ASEAN couple piping, chiller waters, senior sergeant, carpentry sergeant, scaffolding, ducting sergeant, plumbing foreman, finishing foreman, tile foreman, finishing sergeant, steel sergeant. Huge vacancies from UAE. So if you guys have a plan to move, then apply right now. Age limit minimum 23, maximum 48. Email ID is mentioned right here. You have to forward your updated CV to all the documents like educational certifications and experience certifications. And if you have any golf license, then you can apply through this official email ID. This is the contact number through which you can follow up your application process. And this is the official address through which you can reach to the office directly and you can attend the interview. I would like to suggest you please try to reach to the office directly so that you can get more information regarding these job openings and you can apply on the spot and you can attend the interview and you can get success to get a job in UAE. So I hope you understand all the information I shared with you right now. I would like to request to share this information. So if any candidates knowing by you want to move UAE or Gulf country with the same professional experience so that they can apply on time. So lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end. And once again, I would like to request you subscribe this channel to get newer better regarding our job every day. And best of luck. Stay connected with this channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.